Ratels. So as you all know, the magistrate court ordered for my arrest. But now, an order that supersedes the magistrate court have come in now, which is an order from the federal court. So let me read it. As you can see, it was today, 27th of March 2025. That's when the order came. So let's read the order together. So number 2 says, it is further ordered that the leave granted to the applicant to apply for judicial review in case number Mercy Chinwo Blessed versus Martin Vincent Odek shall operate as a stay of execution of the order made by the first respondent, which is the judge, on the 13th of March 2025, issuing a warrant of arrest against the applicant, which is me, and also a stay of all further proceeding. So what this means is that they don't tell that court now, say, Ace, stop that matter. You cannot preside over this matter again. That case against Chinwo and Martin Vincent, stop it. Not just that. That judge were ordered for my arrest. The judge is now a defendant in the case. They play with God. Number 3 order. An order of interim injunction is hereby granted restraining the Inspector General of Police or any officer under his command and control forthwith from executing the order bench warrants issued against the applicants on March 13, 2025 by first respondent. So what they are saying here is that the Inspector General of Police or any other officer in Nigeria cannot arrest me because of Mercy Chinwo matter. So they are simply saying that order by the court does not stand. That the Inspector General of Police should not answer that order. Do you understand? So the Inspector General of Police cannot touch me or any other officer anywhere. You know what is crazy? Me, because I have faith in the judiciary must work. You understand? The judiciary must work. A lot of people say, oh yeah, the judiciary is corrupt. Yes, it is corrupt. But there is some, but it's not entirely corrupt. It's not entirely corrupt. The law works in Nigeria. Una no know my legal team. Una no know say my legal team strong. My legal team bad, gone.